Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Capricorn, it's Sign. This is January weekly reading and this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see your messages and what's going on, Capricorn. Seven of Wands with Two of Pentacles. Knight of Swords. Queen of Swords, Two of Cups and Nine of Swords. Sorry guys. Okay. Under the deck, Ace of Swords. Some communication, some truth coming out is coming in your way. Someone wants to communicate with you. Some truth coming out. Yeah. Ace of Swords. Maybe for some you started something new in your life. So let's see your reading. In recent past, Seven of Wands, Two of Pentacles with Knight of Swords. I think someone rushing towards you and they want to communicate with you. They're coming. They are in rush. Capricorn. Maybe you are juggling. Definitely you are juggling between head over your heart and Seven of Wands. You are very defensive. Yeah. So right now what is going? Queen of Swords, Two of Cups and Nine of Swords. You have so much love for this person and this is mutual love. You both are separated. It could be any reason. Maybe you cut them off, or for some it could be third party situation, third person involved, but you are missing them a lot. You are in this energy, Nine of Swords energy. You are thinking about them a lot when you are alone, especially when you are alone. So in near future energies, Justice, High Priestess, the Lovers. There is love. Definitely there is love between both of you. And High Priestess with Justice. Yeah, they want second chance with you. That's why they are coming back. For some, your person already approached you. If not, they will be. And Justice with High Priestess. Yeah, you stand by your power and you are listening to your inner self and you are listening to your intuition. There is love, but there is no equal give and take for some. Maybe your person is in and out of your life. There is no commitment. That's why you cut them off, even though you have strong emotions for them. But now they're coming back because the Knight of Swords energy. Justice, the person involved in this connection could be Libra also. Maybe they want second chance. The person involved in this connection could be Gemini also. But love is there between both of you. But you are listening to a higher self. You are listening to your intuition this time. Capricorn. You are very defensive also. Because this person always keeping you in this energy which you don't like anymore. So the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see your person current feelings and their near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going. Again, the Lovers card. So there is love between both of you. So let's see your person current feelings. Capricorn. Ten of Pentacles. Eight of Pentacles. Their feelings. Yeah, they really want to work on this relationship. They want to offer stability. They want you back if you are in separation. If you are not in separation, they want to take this relationship to next level. Because Eight of Pentacles, they really want to work on this relationship because they have so much love for you. Yeah, they have so much love. King of Cups with Eight of Pentacles, they really want to work on this relationship. Your person already financially stable. They are already abundant. Okay, Capricorn. So the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Under the deck, Wheel of Fortune. Definitely things are turning out in your person favor. Yeah, they're coming back to offer this. So let's see the near future actions towards you, Capricorn, your person near future actions. Seven of Swords, Three of Wands. Death. I want clarification card. Because under the deck, Devil. Definitely they're obsessed with you, Capricorn. Yeah, maybe they played games with you. Maybe for some your person is sneaky because Seven of Swords and the clarification card is Hanged Man. Yeah, they may be stuck on you. In past, they may be cheated on you, lied to you. Definitely there is some miscommunication, false communication between both of you guys. And Three of Wands, this could be long distance relationship. One person, I think you turn your back from this person. This could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. Yeah, you person undergoing some transformation. Scorpio, the person involved in this connection could be, and they want to communicate. Lots of communication. Some changes are coming in your person's life. So that's what I'm getting here. You are not trusting your person because Seven of Swords energy is here. Maybe they did something wrong to you in past. Maybe there is no commitment. Always they speak words but not taking any action. That's why you're not trusting them this time because Seven of Swords energy. But what I'm seeing here, after the transformation, they will communicate with you. Definitely lots of communication. But I think this time they really want to work on this relationship. Their feelings. They have love for you because the Lovers cards 2 times and came in this reading. And King of Cups, yeah, they have emotions for you, but they're obsessively thinking about you. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn also. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. Yeah, they're stuck on you. Still they're hoping for a second chance. And the Tower, your person literally undergoing Tower moment right now due to separation. Maybe it could be any reason also. So definitely they are stuck on you. They don't know. That's why the action cards. They want to commit to you. They want to work on this relationship. But in action wise, they're feeling stuck on you. They're still hoping for the second chance with you. Yeah, they have love for you. Yeah, lots of communication. I already told you. Lots of communication is coming. And you are in manifesting energy. And Five of Pentacles, definitely separation, cold shouldering. One person not treating the other person well. Definitely there is mistreatment. So the Magician with 8 of Wands. Maybe something positive changes are coming in this connection. And maybe one person manifesting the other person in their connection. And especially it could be you, Capricorn. You are in manifesting energy. What are you wishing for is going to be granted. If you really want this person back and he is coming back, he's still hoping for this connection and you are manifesting everything in your life. Maybe some positive change. For some there will be reconciliation also. So the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. But lots of communication I'm seeing here. So let's see your overall energy, Capricorn. Yeah, you also thinking about them. You also undergoing some spiritual awakening. 4 of Swords, right now you are not talking to your person. You are undergoing some healing and meditation. And King of Swords, yeah, you cut them off. You are not talking to them right now. Still you have so much feelings for them. You have strong emotions for them. Lot of air energy. Your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see your person overall energy for the week, Capricorn. Two of Swords, Queen of Wands, 4 of Wands, 5 of Cups. Definitely they are feeling sad for the separation and they want this celebration with you, this reconciliation with you. You both could be twin flames also. And Queen of Wands, maybe your person could be fire sign. They also stand by their power and they are also very attractive person. And 2 of Swords, maybe your person juggling. Definitely one person is juggling in this connection, but now they are going to be choose you. Definitely they are still hoping for the second chance with you. The person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's see some message for you from Moon Oracle deck. Capricorn. Balance, spirituality and practicality. Maybe you are unbalanced right now. Maybe you are going through something, because you are also Nine of Swords energy is there. Definitely you are missing them because you are in separation, but this is the time you have to balance spirituality and practicality. This is the message from universe. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.